Let's say your coworker just walked into the office, and you notice he's wearing a brand new watch on his wrist. How would you bless him? Say congratulations? Say mazel tov? I do realize my question doesn't make any sense to any person I could think of, aside from my fellow Hebrew speakers. Let me explain. In Hebrew, when you notice someone purchased or received something new, you'd congratulate them as such. To a man, you would say Tit'chadesh. To a woman, you would say Tit'chadesh. To more than one person, you would say Tit'chadeshu. You'd use it when you'd notice someone wearing a new clothing item, when you see they got a new gadget as a gift, when they buy a new house or a new car, or even when you notice they're sporting a new haircut, or when they get their nails done. As you could start seeing, this word is not equivalent to the English word congratulations, since it's only used when someone receives or acquires something new, and not, for instance, when they succeed on an exam or get married. I know, this blessing doesn't make any logical sense. We see the root of the word is chadash, meaning new. However, when you look at this verb's bizarre conjugation, we could see we're using the verb in its reflexive form, together with the imperative tense. In other words, we're essentially commanding our counterpart, get renewed. To be totally honest with you, I really have no idea how to translate this word in a literal way. This conjugation is structured similarly to other reflexive commands, such as tit'labesh, get dressed, when speaking to a man. Tistarki, brush your hair, when speaking to a woman. Titkalchu, take a shower, when speaking to more than one person. Back to our verb, in a way, we're blessing the person not only to enjoy his or her new possession, but also to upgrade themselves in the future to a newer model or version of the item they received. Let's look at some examples. Ravit, asit ציפורניים? תתחדשי אחותי. Ravit, you got your nails done? תתחדשי, sis. Psh, איזו מכונית, תתחדשו. Nice, what a car. תתחדשו. יניב, הסתפרת? תתחדש. יניב, you got a haircut? תתחדש. תתחדשי על הדירה החדשה, יעל. היא ממש יפה. תתחדשי on the new apartment, Yael. It's really pretty. That is all, guys and girls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye.